couple of investment companies in the news today that had some prosecution activity from law enforcement. And these are the types of cases we see clients bring to us that they've had problems with. First one is a digital asset trading company that has a Bitcoin. The other one is a real estate investment company that you've probably heard a lot in the news. They run a lot of ads on CNBC and other types of media. This company is called NRIA, and one of their executives or one of their officers, Nick Salzano, was charged for wire fraud and aggravated identity theft. According to documents, Salzano was employed at NRIA, a real estate investment fund, $1.2 billion. According to the documents, a victim purchased 3 units in their investment fund after hearing an advertisement on the radio. And the victim was offered 6% guaranteed return, and then he was paid monthly, or to be paid monthly for 2.5 years. And then at some point, it was realized that this Salzano took the money and either didn't put it into the fund or misled the person. So we're not exactly sure how deep this is going to go. We're hearing some other chatter about this company. There was a press release we posted the other day about an insider that may have some information about NRIA. But we'll keep tabs on this. This is the kind of investment that a lot of clients come to us to find out if it's a scam or if it's for real. And at this point, it's just been alleged. It's just an accusation. It's not been prosecuted to completion. Here's another one from the New York attorney where there was a motion for temporary restraining order against Coinseed that was claiming to do Bitcoin or cyber currency type investments, and they were basically converting the money for their own use, according to the SEC. The company continued to engage in fraud by disabling investor withdrawals and making unauthorized trades. This is what we hear a lot. An investor will put money in, they'll go to take it out, and they'll hear all kind of excuses. Oh, the server's down, or you have to pay taxes, or you have to put more money in to get over a certain amount. And this happens quite a bit with online scams or these fraudulent investments. The court should grant preliminary order under the Martin Act, which is fraudulent practice with respect to stocks, bonds, and other securities. That's what the prosecutor alleged in this case. So if you have a case where you've put money into something, it doesn't matter what the reason is. A lot of times these scammers will say it's for real estate, for Bitcoin, for some kind of algorithm trading. Sometimes it's just for some new business, and you have any trouble taking the money out, or you have trouble with getting the right kind of statements, make sure you take action. Contact law enforcement, contact an investigator, contact some type of fraud research company or asset research company to make sure that you know where your money is, and you take early action to make sure you don't lose any more money and have the highest probability of getting the money that you've put in back in your pocket.